Today we're talking about black tourmaline, the crystal bodyguard. This crystal is really good, like all the black crystals. It's about protection. So often people think, oh, black is evil and bad. But when it comes to crystals, it's quite the opposite. Black tourmaline is the protector. It protects you. It almost builds a shield around you. The more you use it, the stronger the shield will get. And it protects you against EMFs, the electromagnetic fields, and all the frequencies coming out of our electronic devices. So they're all around us. So having tourmaline next to your computer or your mobile phone is really good. It'll absorb all those frequencies, all those negative frequencies, and shield you from it. But you also can wear it as a necklace or some form of jewelry, or you can keep it in your pocket or somewhere. Maybe in a nice little bag. And so it's really helps you against those environmental sort of toxic frequencies, but also on a subtle level it can help you against negative frequencies coming from places or people, and it can even help protect you against psychic attacks. So if you're doing spiritual work, shamanic work, or any kind of healing work, having black tourmaline is really good because it helps you build up that protective barrier. So it protects you from any kind of negative influences. And the more you work with it, the stronger your protection will get. And it's also really good to remove blockages, particularly kind of negative energy blockages you might hold in your body or in your energy field. So by simply meditating with black tourmaline or doing shamanic journey, you can release those blockages, or you can use the black tourmaline just once you have it activated and energized. You can just kind of go down your spine or your front and just allow the blockages, whatever those blockages are, and allow them to move, to resolve, and anything that's blocked and stored to go into your root chakra, because the black tourmaline works with the root chakra, and then the root chakra will open and release all this kind of negative waste, all this toxic waste, so to speak, and release it back into the earth so it can be reused. So from that perspective, it's a really powerful stone, and it's really gentle and can be subtle. So with black tourmaline, don't expect any major changes. Suddenly, bam, everything's changed. But it could just be you use it for a while, and then suddenly you do things differently, you see things differently. And black tourmaline is also good to kind of get you into a better mood, in a more positive mood, to see things in a more positive light. So that's another aspect of black tourmaline. Over time, it helps you shift your mindset to kind of see the more positive aspect of something and less of the negative. So from this, we really can see it's a versatile stone. It's a really lovely stone, and it's really lovely to hold. So when you get your own black tourmaline, it's really good to meditate with it to begin with, and imbue it with your own intentions. But I'm gonna do videos on shamanic journeys, guided shamanic journeys, meditations on black tourmaline. So if that's not out yet, so have a look at my channel. If it's not out yet, it'll come out soon. So I have that in the pipeline, but I wanted to do this video first. But I'm also going to show you in a video how to make an elixir with black tourmaline, because it's really powerful to have an elixir with black tourmaline, because it can help you remove these blockages even more. So using it externally is very powerful, but using it internally, having energized water with black tourmaline, is really going to help dissolve and move those blockages and build up your auric shield, your protection shield. So this is coming, so look out for it, subscribe, and you'll get notified when these videos come out. I also do more videos on other crystals, shamanic work, guided meditations. So as I said, subscribe and like, and watch out for the next videos. So thank you for watching, and I see you next time.